Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Here we go. Package arrived today. Seydel. That means I have a harmonica incoming. So I started with the Chromatic harmonica about 2 months ago, maybe 2.5. And I've been going crazy buying all kinds of pre-owned, second-hand, used harmonicas, researching what works and what is a good harmonica, and finally decided to try to upgrade my harmonica, because I've been practicing on, you know, your regular valveless harmonica, experimenting with pre-owned harmonicas, you know, the usual deals. And I have maybe 10 pre-owned harmonicas by now, maybe more. You know, which is actually not a bad harmonica, but I'm fairly new to harmonica, but not new to music. I'm a music teacher, guitar teacher, guitarist. And here we have the box, which says Symphony, which is interesting. Oh no, this is the bag. I was wondering, okay, so this is the bag I purchased, which holds 2 harmonicas, protective bag. What we got here in the box, some protective materials, and the thing I'm so looking forward to. Let's check out this protective bag first. You know, I am anticipating a little bit, because I'm not performing on harmonica at all right now, but I do want to be able to bring harmonicas protected wherever I go, and hopefully someday soon also perform with the harmonica. So here we go. Jangly. That's these zippers over here. Feels sturdy. What have we got? You'll see it before I do. Space for 2 harmonicas. Space for a good 12-hole. Space for another 12-hole, which I reckon is expandable to 16-hole by removing this little piece of foam. So that's excellent. I like it. I decided, after lots and lots of research on the Seydel Volcany, because I have several online harmonica friends who play this instrument. Some play the orchestra tuned, and others play the solo tuning, which starts on a C, and the orchestra tuning starts on the G. And I was really in doubt, which shall I pick, because which shall I pick first, I should say, because I really like the low notes, and I notice that when I play jazz tunes I really want a low B flat often, but just because of Toots Thielemans, who is, you know, my biggest influence and hero on the harmonica, he played on mostly on regular 12-hole harmonicas, so I decided to just go for the solo tuning first. And this feels weighty, because I think the website said, I don't have it here, but I think the website said it weighs like 400 grams or something. Solid brass comb, stainless steel reeds. This is a good case. Sturdy. And here we have the actual item. And I'm so looking forward to playing this. It's in there pretty snug. And this is a heavy harmonica, which I'm not used to. It's like holding a little exercise weight or something, which is great. 12-hole, fantastic slide action. I'm used to this kind of slide action and slider type from several other harmonicas I've played. But those also have the square holes, and here we have the round holes. And a, well, nicely rounded mouthpiece over here. And a solid brass comb, like I said. Weighs a lot more than something like this, which has a plastic case. Mind you, I'm not an experienced harmonica player, but here goes the first notes. And you know, I hesitate a little bit to play this without warming it up properly first, but it's not really cold in here, and the box has been sitting here for the whole of the afternoon, so yeah, I can get used to this. Seydel Volcany, Chromatic 12-hole, solo tuning in C. So there you have it.